Hi everyone, my name is Dan Cross and I'm a shortlisted author and professional writer and editor. It was an honour to be asked to join the judges panel for the 2019 Book Challenge competition. I want to thank all the authors who submitted their manuscripts to this year's award. Each and every one had unique and special aspects which made them a real joy to read. For the novel that my fellow judges and I placed second, we felt it inspired in us a feeling of the classic exciting adventure mysteries. A fun, world-trotting adventure and an entertaining thrill ride from start to finish, combining a Dan Brown-esque plot, supernatural elements, and well-defined characters who develop over the course of the story. Myself being an historical fiction writer, I especially love the huge amount of research that has evidently been undertaken. The author manages to deliver a fast-paced and intriguing story with otherworldly elements that is somehow still grounded in the story's history and setting, helping to keep each scene believable and relatable. And so, it gives me great pleasure to award second place in the Book Challenge 29 competition to City of Runes by Dagmara Drozdowska. Congratulations.